Hi guys, today we're going to watch these weird birds eat goldfish. Look, he's gonna eat it. Oh, yay, yummy. Look. Wow, they are beasts. Well, why did not eat it? Weird. And that's actually a weird bird. I have no idea what this bird is. Oh, and here's a bird right behind me. I'm going to show you some other birds. Here. And this one. And this one too. Like, all these birds are yummy yums. They eat anything they want. Oh, he's eating it. Yum. He's like, oh, where is he going? Oh, is he eating? Huh. That's a lot of food. So why are they not eating? So, birdie, what do you want? Oh, wait. Is he going to eat?
He ate a green one.
He ate a green one. Yes. Cool. Oh. Look at this. Majestic birdies. So I hope you like this video, and also we're in Disneyland. So make sure you like and subscribe and comment on this video. I love Ringer. Bye.